Good evening. Video message for Richard. Richard, hi. Thank you for buying the beautiful vintage Clinton D55. So, when did she last start? It's about, maybe that was about a week ago. So, I'm sure you're probably proficient anyway, and I'd love to hear how you get on, because I think you said you have another one, and perhaps this may be used for spares. And so, fuel tap open, choke, and kill switch. Let's see how she starts. Amazing. Choke off. Oh, choke back on. Ooh, choke on again. Choke off. It's going to be like this tonight, then, isn't she? Richard, hope you love the saw, and I'd love to hear how you get on repairing your existing one if you're using this one for parts. And I hope we deal again. Bye for now.